Hey everyone, today we will create this card flip animation in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. For the sake of time, I have already created two groups here. Each group has a rectangle, text and an image. Now I will select the front card, make it on a front layer and just adjust it like this so it fits perfectly with the back. I will select both and frame selection so that it's in one frame. Alright, so see how this looks like if I unhide the front part. Now let's select the front part, unhide it, select the back part and flip the back like this. Alright, I will unhide the front part. Okay, so now select both of them and create the component. I will create a variant here. In variant, I am choosing the front part and flipping it because it's a front part, right? I will just show how it is look like in the back side. Back is like this. I will flip this thing, come to front and unhide it. Okay. Now I will select the front and change the opacity to 0. After doing that, let's prototype. Select the front card, connect with the second card. Ease out is better for me. So let's change it. Same thing for the second card. Now let's quickly create one frame here. I will copy the front card here, basically the default variant, and let's play the preview. All right, this is how this will look like. So you can create, do whatever you want while using this thing, and it's pretty fast method to do this thing. Thanks for watching my channel. Now in the YouTube description, please go here and press subscribe button and try to give the all thing here. Thank you very much.